Hello people! So today's video is being filmed so late at night. I will probably tell you this like 50 times in the video. But I don't know why, I just felt like, you know, putting a full face of makeup on for no reason, like at night. Today's video is going to be a full glam, just all out makeup tutorial, as you can see by my face. I thought I would do like a dramatic summery makeup tutorial because I don't know, I feel like when it comes to summer everyone's just kind of, you know, laying off with makeup a little bit, being a bit more natural, which I love, you know, nice everyday soft summery looks. So I thought I would do the complete opposite and just whack a load of makeup on my face. So that's what I've done today, but it doesn't feel heavy. All the products I used have like really gone together, especially the skin, and I thought I would just top it off by just doing this insane eye look. So if you want to see how I created this whole look, then make sure you are subscribed, give the video a thumbs up too, and just keep watching. Okay, so that's the dramatic eyes all done. I'm just gonna do the rest of my eyes quickly actually. So I'm just gonna use my LA Girl Endless eyeliner. I'm just gonna very finely just line the top lash line with my Maybelline liner. Gonna curl my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna apply the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so that's the eyes all done. This was really easy to do. I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to do the inner corner and everything once I've got my base on. So for face primer, I'm going to use the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I'm kind of sad that I'm using like my favourite face products because it's 9:05 p.m. right now. PM. And I just decided to film. I don't know what came over me. I was just like, let's just film a full-on glam makeup look. So that happened, and I'm literally gonna wash this straight off as soon as I finish filming. Foundation, I'm gonna do a little bit of a mix. I'm gonna use the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, but I'm gonna add in a bit of the Flower Beauty Celestial Skin Elixir just to share this out a tiny bit, but I still want pretty much full coverage. Just do this first actually. I'm really lazy today. Yeah, so sorry if like my lighting's really bad. because it's literally dark outside. Skin is nice and glowy. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline foundation now. I'm going to use a sponge to blend it out with just because I don't want it to be too intense. I'm going to dot that around like that. Just... If you're kind of like me and you don't like foundation on your skin looking like you're wearing foundation, then I think adding like an oil, like I just used the flower one, to like kind of sheer it out a little bit. And obviously it kind of takes away the whole matteness of it. Concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I used this to prime my eyelids, and then I used it to cut the crease as well. So I'm just going to use this. Then to set all that in place, I'm going to use the Jefree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Loose Powder. And I'm using Banana. Wow. I'm just going to finish the lower lash line off and just get the eyes fully done, so I'll just speed through this part really quickly. I think I actually want to do my highlight next, just switch it up a little bit. I'm going to use this palette to do my face highlight and then also the inner corner and brow bone. So this is the Pure Cosmetics highlighting palette. I haven't used this in a long time, and if anyone's been watching my channel for a while, I was obsessed with this. This has been like one of my favourite like highlighting palettes for a while. So I'm going to use the pinky shade here called Sunset to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner as well. And I think I'm literally just going to mix like these 3 and 4 down here together and just create some magic. To powder, contour and also bronze. So I think I'm going to bronze first and then I'll like chisel everything out. So I'm going to use the Alexis Ren and Colourpop Topaz highlight and bronzer palette. And I'm going to use the bronzer, which is this shade here. This is kind of one of my favourite warm summery bronzers. It's just nice and orangey. I feel like you can use it as like a blush as well, I guess. To contour, I'm going to use the Jouer bronzer palette. It's just like the little duo, and I'm just going to use this shade here. Kind of like right at the back. So at the minute I've been like obsessed with these like single Colourpop blushes. Highlight in here as well, which is amazing. Ignore this is Makeup Geek. But these blushes, so nice. Which one is going to go with this? I think maybe the orangey one, I think. Yeah, let's go all out. Let's go orangey. Have I got anything left in here? I'm just going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, even though I'm literally going to go wash this off. We love a 9:30 PM full glam when you're not going anywhere. Okay, let's just do lips next. So I think we're going to keep it pretty nude, very simple, seeing as the eyes is just... The face is very... I'm going to take the LA Girl liner in Bare. Honestly, same colour as my lips. Love it! Okay, then to go over with liquid lip, I'm going to use the Jefree Star Cosmetics Celebrity Skin Liquid Lipstick. Alright, I'm actually kind of here for this lip combo. It's not like too pink and it's not too like brownie nude either. This is perfect. Very dramatic, very just over the top. I want attention, all eyes on the eyes. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of like leave now. Just, you know, make an exit. Seriously, who films a makeup tutorial at 9 p.m. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this whole makeup look. If you did, then make sure to give the video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! My voice is going. This is really awkward. Bye.